In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier to QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have Zapier linked to your QuickBooks online account so you can automate repetitive tasks and keep your accounting data flowing smoothly. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing into the company you want to connect. It's best to use an admin account so you have the right permissions. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Integrations area. Depending on your layout, you may see an Integrations or Apps icon, often in the left sidebar or along the top toolbar. Click that to open the Integrations section. Inside the Integrations area, select Find Integrations. This takes you to QuickBooks App Center, where you can browse and connect approved apps. If you're managing multiple tabs or windows, keep QuickBooks front and center so you can easily return to it during the connection process. In the App Center, use the search bar and type Zapier. You should see the official Zapier app appear in the results. Click it to open the app detail page. Here, you can quickly review what Zapier can do with QuickBooks, like creating or updating customers, invoices, and expenses based on triggers from your other apps. Confirm you're selecting the official listing so you get the most reliable and supported connection. Before you proceed, make sure your QuickBooks subscription is active. An active subscription is required to connect third-party apps like Zapier. If everything is in good standing, click Connect. QuickBooks will guide you through the authorization flow. You'll be asked to allow Zapier to access your QuickBooks data so it can read and write information as needed for your automations. If you manage more than one company within QuickBooks, be sure you're connecting the correct company file during this step. If a pop-up appears, allow it so the authorization can complete. Pop-up blockers can sometimes interrupt this process. After you grant permission, wait for the confirmation that the connection is successful. You should see a connected status in QuickBooks, and Zapier will recognize your QuickBooks account as available when you build a Zap. If you run into any permission issues, double-check that you're logged in as an admin and that your subscription is active. That's it. You've connected Zapier to QuickBooks. From here, you can head into Zapier to create automations that save time, reduce manual entry, and keep your books up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!